members, Miss Heidi here, and today I'm going to show you a fun water race game. So for this game, you'll need plastic cups, yarn or string, scissors, straws, tape, and water blasters. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to start by creating our game. So to do that, you're going to take your plastic cup and you're going to attach a straw to it. So I'm going to attach mine using my tape here, and then just go ahead and tape your straw to your cup. Like this. And then we're going to take our string and attach it somewhere outside so that it creates a line going across. And we're going to make sure we put our string inside of our straw so that our cup is attached to the string. And that's going to set up our game. And then to play the game, you're going to take your water blasters and you could make a competition out of it and see who can get their cup across the string the fastest. And a tip that I have is to make sure your string is going at an angle. That will help the cup go down a lot easier. So let me go try it out. As you can see from my game, I stood in the same spot as I tried to get my cup to go down my string, just to make it a little more challenging. But you can also follow the cup as it goes down. I hope you try out this game yourself and have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye!